we want to be, when you think about junk removal in Mobile, you think about Delta Junk Removal.
We started with 0 accounts, and right now we're doing $120,000 a month. We're looking to double it by the end of next year.
So Junk Dawgs is the first business that I've owned. Prior to that, I've started a little cleaning thing that lasted about a month, but other than that, Junk Dawgs is the first one that I've started.
Yeah, we just went all in, and I resigned from where I was working. Our first month, our gross revenue was about $12,000. We just finished our 5th month, and we grossed just over $40,000.
Currently, I'm a business package client. They started doing some SEO, and we quickly moved onto the first page before we even got started. Since we've started, all my clients, they tell us, you showed up first, you showed up first. When we typed in junk removal, you're the first one to show up. We're just all over the internet. The Google ads and the organic search results have really paid off.
So 2 years ago, we had 2 trucks. We were doing about $45,000 a month. Now we have 4 trucks. I would say our average is probably around $120,000 a month. I would attribute a lot of our growth to sticking with the original plan, sticking with the Google ads, letting it basically work its magic, working on our SEO, really just staying to the game plan and building on the plan that was put together when we did sign up with JRA.
Initially, we didn't go with the package because we didn't feel like it was right. We thought it was a little too much money. We wanted to put our money elsewhere at the time. And then when we got to the point of wanting to use it, it was a no-brainer. I went with the business package in August, and it's November now, and we have 3 trucks, so that'll be a total of 4 by next June. We might even push it up to May, or even March, who knows. Because of JRA, like I said, none of this would be possible.